Should you replace your receptionist with AI? Before you jump to a yes or no, let me show you something interesting. Right now, service businesses are losing customers simply because their calls aren't being answered. But AI can actually solve this problem, answering every call, handling customer questions, and even booking appointments in minutes. Stick around because I'm going to show you a live demo of AI in action, and by the end, you'll know if it's the right fit for your business. Here's the truth: 62% of business calls go unanswered. That's not just a missed call, it's lost revenue. When customers can't get through, they don't wait. They call the next company they find online. Now, a receptionist can solve this problem, but there are challenges. Hiring is expensive. People can only work limited hours. Nights, weekends, and holidays are still uncovered. That's why many businesses are turning to AI receptionists. And AI never misses a call. It costs about 80% less than hiring a full-time receptionist, and it delivers a consistent professional experience 24/7. So instead of telling you about it, let's see it in action. Watch how an AI receptionist for a plumbing company answers the phone, understands the customer's needs, and books an appointment, just like a human receptionist would.
Hi, I'm Mary, your AI receptionist at Demo Plumber. How can I assist you?
Hi, I have an issue with my pipe, my bathroom pipe. It burst.
I'm really sorry to hear that. Would you like to book an appointment for us to come and fix it?
Yes. How soon can you come out?
Let's see what we can do for you. We have availability on Monday, August 18th at 8 a.m., 10 a.m., or 12 p.m. Do any of these times work for you?
Do you have anything on the weekends?
Let me check the weekend availability for you. One moment, please. It looks like we don't have any available slots on the weekends right now. Would you like to go with one of the weekday options, or should I add you to our wait list for a weekend slot?
Monday sounds good. What do you have for Monday afternoon?
On Monday, August 18th, we have availability at 12 p.m. Would that work for you?
12 p.m. Yes, that will work for me.
Great. Before we finalize your appointment, could you please provide your email address so we can send you the confirmation details?
Okay, wait. I want to ask, what do you have for the rest of the week? Do you have anything on, say, Wednesday at 3 p.m.?
Let me check the availability for Wednesday at 3 p.m. for you. One moment, please. We have availability on Wednesday, August 20th at 3 p.m., 3:30 p.m., and 4 p.m. Would you like to book the appointment for 3 p.m.?
Yes, thank you.
Perfect. Could you please provide your email address so we can send you the confirmation details?
Sure, yes. So my email is lindsay@gmail.com.
Thank you. Just to confirm, your email is lin44@gmail.com. Is that correct?
Perfect.
Your appointment is booked for Wednesday, August 20th at 3 p.m. You'll receive a confirmation shortly at your email address. Is there anything else I can assist you with?
No, that's it.
Thank you for calling Demo Plumber Service. Have an amazing day. Goodbye.
If you want an AI receptionist like this for your business, click the link in the description to schedule the call with us. We'll build one tailored to your business, and you can try it free for 15 days. No contracts, no strings attached, just results. And here's something you can try right now. Call 978-637-8037 and pretend you're a customer trying to book a plumbing appointment. You can explain the problem, ask if they can help, check availability, get a price estimate, and book an appointment, just like a real customer would. So, why should businesses consider AI receptionists? 24/7 coverage, your business is always reachable, 80% lower cost than a full-time receptionist. Zero missed calls means zero lost revenue. More leads and more bookings without extra staff. Seamless calendar integration. Customers book instantly. Consistent professional experience for every caller. Whether you're a solo operator or running a growing team, AI helps you stay responsive, professional, and efficient without the overhead. So should you replace your receptionist with AI? Maybe not entirely, but AI can handle the bulk of the calls, after-hours coverage, and appointment bookings at a fraction of the cost. Click the link in the description to start your 15-day free trial today. fully customized for your business.